Hi there guys, we've got this 4G32 Mitsubishi engine in the stand, and today Penrith Stunner is doing an engine oil and filter change on it, and we've got something very interesting here that I'd like to share with you, and actually very important for people learning about oil filter changes. Okay, so on the Mitsubishi of this era, the oil filters are quite accessible. They're down here mounted on a housing off the side of the engine block, and they also have the oil pressure switch, okay, with this wire going into it. The oil pressure switch is what gives you the indication on the dashboard if the oil pressure is up. Oil pressure is very important for obvious reasons, okay. So the oil pressure switch, which actually are prone to leaking on Mitsubishis of this era, we should always check them while we're there. Now, we have a Ryko Z142A oil filter, which is quite common oil filter for the Mitsubishis, which has been removed. No mess. Penrith's done a good job here, and we can see that what's actually happened is the oil filter seal, if you can see this here, has stuck behind on the housing, and I've just taken it off. So this oil filter seal, okay, is meant to come off with the oil filter, and it hasn't. Problem here being that if we're in a little bit of a rush under pressure and we make the mistake of fitting a new oil filter on top, whoopsie, on top of the old oil filter seal, then we have a double up of seals. And when we drive down the road and oil pressure gets up, customer might have his car, it can pop that oil ring out and the engine will dump its engine oil on the road rather quickly, and then we may have a engine failure. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you today. Thanks very much. Cheers.